news coming in from Tamil Nadu. O. Pannirselvam, the former Chief Minister, has tweeted today saying he will announce about the alliance with BJP when the local body elections are announced. This comes a day after his meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi, and local body elections are slated in Tamil Nadu and they're long pending in Tamil Nadu, and now comes this tweet from Pannirselvam saying an alliance with the BJP will be announced after the local body elections announcement formally comes. This is very significant. The timing is very significant because this comes a day after O. Pannirselvam's meeting with Prime Minister. O. Pannirselvam and his aides met the Prime Minister yesterday. And today comes the tweet from O. Pannirselvam saying he will announce about an alliance with the BJP when local body elections are announced. Let's now go across to Mr. Satyan, a spokesperson from the Pannirselvam camp. Mr. Satyan, this tweet is very conspicuous. Says we will take a decision on alliance with BJP once local body elections are announced. And this comes a day after Pannirselvam's meeting with Prime Minister. Can you explain us, can you help us decode this tweet?
No, Hari, the question posted to him was, will you form an alliance with the BJP for the local body elections? Okay. For which Mr. OPS said, the question of alliance arises after the dates are being announced. So that is what intended to mention in the tweet. And anyways, now the tweet is getting corrected. But
it mentions one party, sir, BJP. So all that it means is Mr. Pannirselvam does not rule out an alliance with the BJP. So can we believe Mr. Pannirselvam does not rule out an alliance with the BJP, and there are quite a number of chances for that?
No. He said the alliance question arises once the dates have been announced. That's it. It all depends on the terms and situations what arises at that point of time. Do we need an alliance or we don't need an alliance? It arises at that point of time, you know.
But you don't rule out the possibility because even the DMK is alleging that the BJP is behind the Pannirselvam camp, and comes this tweet of Pannirselvam clearly not ruling out an alliance with BJP. So it's very conspicuous, right?
Yes. For the question, the answer was the alliance scenario arises only when the dates are being announced. So it's not necessarily that warming up to BJP or warming up to any other party.
Right. Thank you very much. That was
so that's what his response. Right?
That was Mr. Satyan from the O. Pannirselvam faction of the AIADMK. Let's also get in a voice from BJP. Mr. Surya of the youth wing of BJP joins, the Vice President of Tamil Nadu's BJP's youth wing. Thank you very much, Surya. What's your view on Pannirselvam's tweet? He does not rule out an alliance with the BJP. You know there are allegations that BJP is backing the Pannirselvam faction of the AIADMK.
No, Hari, not only Pannirselvam camps, there are many other parties which are looking towards BJP now. The vacuum which has been filled in Tamil Nadu political scenario, you must have seen Dr. Krishnaswamy and even Thirumaavan to an extent making a pro-BJP statements. So BJP is definitely now a force to reckon with in Tamil Nadu.
Surya, it's slightly different from that. With other parties, speaking about an alliance possibility with BJP is different from this because there is an accusation, especially from the DMK, saying, BJP is instrumental behind the split and it is backing one section of the AIADMK. And do you not think it adds credence to that?
No, Hari. BJP has been backing a single faction of the AIADMK. The scene could have been totally different. Now the government is running smoothly. We have been, sanctioning all the funds that they were asking for. The electricity board has got thousands of crores for the restructuring from the central government. And even every other thing which the central government is sought after is being looked at.